Yeah, we all trying to get to the bag, and ain't nothing wrong with that. But as you pursue the bag, you know what I'm saying, you got to understand that it's rules to this shit. And today I want to tell you about CHIME. CHIME is a financial technology provider. Banking services are provided by the Bank Corp Bank or Stride Bank. Members FDIC. FDIC mean that this is federally insured. Chime is a mobile banking app and debit card made awesome. Fee-free overdraft up to $100 for eligible members. Get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. No hidden bank fees. Grow your savings automatically. Signing up take 2 minutes. 250,000 plus 5-star app reviews. Let me tell y'all something. Chime got it going on. I've been fooling with Chime right now for a minute. All y'all hustlers, all y'all entrepreneurs, all y'all small business owners, y'all need to be dealing with Chime because Chime is definitely the truth. Fee-free overdraft, meaning traditional banks took $11 billion in overdraft fees in 2019. At Chime, they do things differently. They will allow you to overdraw up to $100 on your debit card purchases without charging you a fee. Y'all don't hear me, man. Chime got it going on. So if you out here getting money, if you out here hustling, if you are a entrepreneur, you need to look into Chime because Chime got it going on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, I've been dealing with Chime for a while now, and they got it going on. They are better than traditional banks by far. You feel me? So you can say goodbye to unnecessary bank fees. No overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirements, no monthly service fees, no foreign transaction fees, no transfer fees. Over 38,000 fee-free money pass and Visa plus alliances at ATM. I'm going to tell y'all again, if you out here getting money, you need to look into Chime. Y'all be sure to comment on this video, like this video, share this video, and let's get this paper, man.